Introduction to file operations in Python. File operations in Python allow you to read from and write to files on your computer. Python provides built-in functions and methods to work with files, making it easy to perform various operations such as creating, opening, reading, writing, and closing files. To work with files in Python, you need to understand how to create file objects and use them to interact with the file system. Opening files in different modes. Read mode. To open a file, you can use the open function and specify the file name along with the opening mode. The most common opening mode is the read mode, denoted by R. This mode allows you to read the contents of the file. Opening files in different modes. Write mode. The write mode, W, allows you to create a new file or overwrite the existing content of a file. If the specified file does not exist, Python will create it. Be cautious when using write mode as it erases the previous content of the file. Opening files in different modes. Append mode. The append mode, A, allows you to open a file for appending new content. Unlike the write mode, the append mode does not overwrite the existing content. Instead, it appends the new content to the end of the file. Parsing JSON from a file. Python provides a built-in module called JSON that makes it easy to work with JSON data. You can read JSON data from a file using the JSON load function. Common use cases and considerations. File operations in Python are used in various scenarios, such as reading configuration files, logging data to a file, processing large data sets, and working with external data sources. It is important to handle file operations carefully, ensuring proper file closing and exception handling to prevent resource leaks and handle errors gracefully. In this tutorial, you learned how to perform file operations in Python, including creating files, opening them in different modes, read, write, and append, parsing JSON from a file, and common use cases. File operations are essential for reading and writing data, and Python provides convenient methods and modules to simplify these tasks. By mastering file operations, you can manipulate files and integrate external data seamlessly into your Python programs.